How to set realistic financial goals and stay on track. Financial stability and success don't happen by accident. They are the result of careful planning, disciplined execution, and a clear understanding of your financial situation. Whether you're saving for a dream vacation, paying off debt, or planning for retirement, setting realistic financial goals is the first step toward achieving financial freedom. In this video, we'll explore how to set achievable financial goals, create a plan to reach them, and stay on track even when life throws curveballs. Why setting financial goals matters. Before diving into the how, it's important to understand the why. Financial goals give you direction and purpose. They help you prioritize your spending, avoid unnecessary debt, and build wealth over time. Without clear goals, it's easy to fall into the trap of living paycheck to paycheck or making impulsive financial decisions. Setting financial goals also provides motivation. When you have a clear vision of what you're working toward, whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or retiring early, you're more likely to stay committed to your plan. Goals also help you measure progress, which can be incredibly rewarding and encourage you to keep going. Step 1. Assess your current financial situation. The first step in setting realistic financial goals is understanding where you stand today. This means taking a close look at your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Calculate your net worth. Your net worth is the difference between your assets, what you own, and your liabilities, what you owe. This number gives you a snapshot of your financial health. Track your spending. For at least a month, track every dollar you spend. This will help you identify spending patterns and areas where you can cut back. Review your debt. List all your debts, including credit cards, student loans, and mortgages. Note the interest rates and minimum payments for each. Evaluate your savings. How much do you have saved for emergencies, retirement, or other goals? Are you contributing regularly to these accounts? By understanding your current financial situation, you can set goals that are realistic and achievable based on your income, expenses, and obligations. Step 2. Define your financial goals. Once you have a clear picture of your finances, it's time to define your goals. Financial goals can be short-term, medium-term, or long-term, depending on the timeline and the amount of money required. Short-term goals, 2 years. These are goals you want to achieve in the near future. Examples include building an emergency fund, paying off a credit card, or saving for a vacation. Medium-term goals, 5 years. These goals require more time and planning. Examples include saving for a down payment on a house, buying a car, or funding a wedding. Long-term goals, 5+ years. These are big picture goals that often require significant resources. Examples include saving for retirement, paying off your mortgage, or funding your child's education. When setting your goals, make sure they are smart, specific, clearly define what you want to achieve. Measurable. Attach a dollar amount and timeline to your goal. Achievable. Ensure your goal is realistic given your income and expenses. Relevant. Align your goals with your values and priorities. Time-bound. Set a deadline for achieving your goal. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save money," a smart goal would be, "I want to save $5,000 for a down payment on a car in 2 years." Step 3. Create a plan to achieve your goals. With your goals defined, the next step is to create a plan to achieve them. This involves budgeting, saving, and investing strategically. Create a budget. A budget is a roadmap for your money. It helps you allocate your income toward your goals while covering your essential expenses. Start by listing your monthly income and fixed expenses, e.g., rent, utilities, debt payments. Then, allocate money toward your goals and discretionary spending. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts. This ensures you're consistently working toward your goals without having to think about it. Reduce expenses. Look for ways to cut back on non-essential spending. This could mean canceling unused subscriptions, cooking at home instead of eating out, or shopping for deals. Increase your income. If your current income isn't enough to achieve your goals, consider ways to earn more. This could include asking for a raise, taking on a side hustle, or investing in skills that increase your earning potential. Pay down debt. High-interest debt can derail your financial goals. Focus on paying off debt as quickly as possible, starting with the highest interest balances. Invest wisely. For long-term goals like retirement, investing is essential. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans, IRAs, and other investment accounts to grow your wealth over time. Step 4. Stay on track. Setting goals and creating a plan is only half the battle. The real challenge is staying on track, especially when life gets busy or unexpected expenses arise. Here are some tips to help you stay focused. Review your goals regularly. Life changes, and so should your financial goals. Review your goals at least once a year to ensure they still align with your priorities. Track your progress. Use a spreadsheet, app, or journal to track your progress toward each goal. Celebrate milestones along the way to stay motivated. Adjust your plan as needed. If you encounter setbacks, don't give up. Adjust your budget, timeline, or goals as needed to keep moving forward. Build an emergency fund. Unexpected expenses are inevitable. Having an emergency fund with 3-6 months' worth of living expenses can prevent you from derailing your progress. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, resist the urge to increase your spending. Instead, allocate the extra money toward your goals. Stay educated. Continuously educate yourself about personal finance. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. Common challenges and how to overcome them. Even with the best intentions, staying on track with your financial goals can be challenging. Here are some common obstacles and strategies to overcome them. Unexpected expenses. Life is full of surprises, from car repairs to medical bills. To prepare, build an emergency fund and consider insurance policies, e.g., health, auto, home, to mitigate risks. Lack of motivation. It's easy to lose motivation when progress feels slow. Remind yourself of the why behind your goals and visualize the benefits of achieving them. Impulse spending. Temptation is everywhere, from online shopping to social outings. To curb impulse spending, create a fun money category in your budget and stick to it. Debt overload. High levels of debt can feel overwhelming. Focus on paying off one debt at a time, starting with the highest interest balance, and consider debt consolidation if it makes sense. Inconsistent income. If your income fluctuates, budgeting can be tricky. Base your budget on your lowest expected income and save any extra money during good months. The role of mindset in financial success. Achieving financial goals isn't just about numbers, it's also about mindset. Cultivating a positive and proactive attitude toward money can make a big difference in your success. Practice gratitude. Focus on what you have rather than what you lack. Gratitude can help you feel content with less and reduce the urge to overspend. Embrace delayed gratification. Understand that achieving financial goals often requires sacrificing short-term pleasures for long-term rewards. Learn from mistakes. Everyone makes financial mistakes. Instead of dwelling on them, learn from them and use the experience to make better decisions in the future. Surround yourself with supportive people. Share your goals with friends or family who can encourage and hold you accountable. Setting realistic financial goals and staying on track is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to adapt as your circumstances change. By assessing your current situation, defining smart goals, creating a plan, and staying committed, you can take control of your finances and build the future you envision. Remember, financial success isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Celebrate your wins, learn from your setbacks, and keep moving forward. With the right mindset and strategies, you can achieve your financial goals and enjoy greater peace of mind along the way. Take control of your financial future, set your goals, stay on track, and start building wealth today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more financial success tips.